Today's video, it's a 2-minute tip, and it has to do with this right here, our cell phones and how we charge them. I don't know about you, but I've got a million of these USB cables sitting all over the place, but I'm missing one important component, and that's the charger that you plug into the wall. So I've got a hack for you. It's coming your way in about a minute, so hold your horses. Now, what I've done is I've installed a GFCI. Now, what it has is it has a USB charging port so that I can charge my phone as I sit at the kitchen table and work in a quiet area. Because this area, it's a little secluded, it's away from everybody, and it's just a real quiet place to do my work. So that's why I decided to go ahead and install an outlet with a USB. And what I'll do is I'll place a link in the description below so you'll know exactly how it's done. So I like to work in this area of the house because it's a quiet area and it's away from the television set, which leads us right to today's phone charging hack. So let me go show you something. Every smart television has a USB charging port so you can watch television while you charge your phone. Now, next time you're looking for a charger, don't forget about the largest charger in the house for cell phones, and that's your television set. Now, can I encourage you? Can I encourage you to check out the link in the description below to the seejanedrill Dream House Accelerator course? That's right. Here's the thing. A lot of folks are feeling a little overwhelmed by the condition of their homes. They're not living in their dream house. They can't afford to sell their houses right now because, interest rates are kind of crazy. So I put together a course that's going to get you from where you are to living in your dream house in as little as 90 days, folks. And I want you to check out the link in the description below. And I'll see you on the other side. This is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time.